Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C40. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. Select card you would like to add to your Google Wallet. And now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Select Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.